I have done many weird videos, especially unboxing. Today I am doing another one. So basically I got this very long-awaited perfume from Bellissima, Perfect Day, and I thought like to unbox it in front of everyone because I haven't done an unboxing for a very long time, and it's a perfect day. If you see, it's a perfect day. Do you see? It's a perfect day. It's a beautiful sunny day, and this is a time of after lunch, and I felt like this is the perfect time of the day when you want to do your unboxing, or I want to do your unboxings. Let's start. So I'm gonna open like this. I have it a bubble wrap. For some of my work, I'm doing the unboxing at my work. Bellissima, the packaging is amazing. I think I am in the wrong side of the sun. Yeah? Let's put it over here. Oh yeah, I am in the wrong side. Damn. Happens. My friend, happens. It's not necessary everything will be perfect, right? So, I hope it doesn't get blurred. Otherwise, it will be sorry. My hand was in the front. Oops. Oh, the struggle is real. The struggle is real. Anyways, I hope you can see. I really hope you can see. So far I know I have to really edit this video. Anyways, I have never done a video of unboxing for a very long time, so I thought like to do an unboxing video here. So this is Bellissima Iri Tojos. I don't know how do you pronounce it, but this is a eau de parfum, the unique house of unique perfume. So this is the perfect day. Today is a perfect day. Amazing sealing technique. Let's open it. I have the perfect night, and I believe this seal was not in that one. You want to see how they actually explain perfect day. This is an intense, fresh yet uncomplicated green and floral citrus. Very common floral citrus. Okay, let's open it. I know it's citrusy. It's fresh. I know that part. So, the box is a little bit different from the perfect night. I believe so. Oh my, this is a beautiful one. I can smell it from here. Do you see it? So, Bellissima. Oh, amazing. Da-da-da. I have to say, the presentation is outstanding. Let's try the perfume. But I understand the juice is white. Oh my god, this is amazing. Boy, if you are a fan of citrus perfume, you need to keep this. Oh man, it's fresh. If you are a fan of citrus perfume, you need this thing in your collection. This is the grandfather of fresh perfume. My. Beautifully crafted. Wow. This is a beautiful bottle. The perfume is more beautiful. I bought it from UK, and as you understand, this is a 50 ml. Cost me I think it's around $100 in dollars and 55 UK. Yeah, I think it's 55 pound. Yeah, something like that, because I'm just doing the conversion rate in my mind. So it's an amazing perfume. I like it more than the Perfect Night, because Perfect Night is absolutely opposite. That's 100% incense perfume. If you don't like incense, I don't think you're gonna like the Perfect Night. But this is something, if you like the fresh citrusy perfume, this is the boss. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good. It's a like mood changer. So this is Bellissima Perfect Day. By the way, this is a sold out thing. I actually wrote the brand to have a bottle, and they actually made a very small batch, and I got one bottle for myself. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing. See you again. Bye bye.